welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry I've not been uploading many videos. I've just been not had much to show, but now the farm's kind of finished setting up, so it's ready for us to start doing the proper videos. There ain't much going on today, just mainly just show you around everything, maybe a little job. First we've got the farmer's just taking the cows are balers. It's like the real time here it is now, so beginning of November, around bonfire night, taking the cows a bale. We haven't actually got a feeder for the cows, so they're actually making quite a mess here. I'm wasting quite a bit, but fine. Nearly ready to start bringing the cows in for winter. We've got a few sheep with a Charolais up here. They've all been tucked now, hopefully, and being lamb. Because we're down here, we've got the sheep handling unit that's pretty dormant at the moment. Nothing going on in there at all. We've got a dog running around in the yard. We've got a single bale carrier, quad trailer, cattle trailer, some junk, pallets and tyres and things. Double bale carrier, we've got the Land Rover Defender. In the shed here we've got the Coon mower, the T6, the 46600, the muck spreader. Don't know if you can see it, I'll take the roof off. Got the roller, the log splitter, little workshop in the corner. The goats are in that little field there at the moment. Then over here, yard scraper, diesel tank, bucket, cattle crush, chickens, another dog just watching the chickens, silage bales, sheep in there with a Suffolk up, same again, they're hopefully all being lamb now. Take the roof off here, then we can show you in. About the cattle shed, cubicles. Got the Roland 340, the McHale bale wrapper, and the Fent loader tractor with a bale lifter on at the moment. So yeah, that's about it for today. I'm going to try and do some stop motion and also let's upload most days and every day really, hopefully. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you, bye.